Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars, trucks, excavators, vehicles. Okay, the first one is a monster truck. My favorite truck, number 33. Very nice. Another one, supercar. Excavator, mini excavator, everybody. Another one, supercar, red color. Mobil Truk, everybody, this is a Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. Okay, the next one, monster truck, white color. Mobil Tanki, shoot Mobil Tanki. Mobil Tanki ជាភាសាឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីឬក៏គេហៅថា tank truck ឡាន stand airdrome bus everyone, let's move to another bigger truck. I have to put some water first. Này đi mở tới đôi chia bà mà xin trộn sợi airplane. How about this one? Bà này cứ chỉ lan chục đấy, bóng phone đỡ này bà lan chục đây. Iron Man, hero Iron Man. Monster truck. Mini airplane. Bà này cứ chỉ bảo vệ lan ở lâu cần đấy. Okay, everybody, let's move to another bigger truck to find other cars. Green supercar. Super motorbike, red color. Airplane, green color. Yellow police car. Super motorbike. Excavator, cute excavator, mini excavator. Forklift. Forklift, mà xin lựa Ivan. Nơi tam rồng chặn, tam xã kia, lựa Ivan thôn con là nắng. ba mà tô thông po lương nè đó kia super motorbike và yellow color. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere.